Today, our world needs healing and to be rekindled with love.
The Nightingale Declaration for a Healthy World advances our individual and collective commitments to make a difference in our time, beginning with we the nurses and concerned citizens of the global community.
Renewed during the COVID pandemic, this declaration remembers the Bicentennial of Florence Nightingale's birth and promotes the 2030 Global Agenda for Sustainable Development Goals.
This declaration was first inspired during the global SARS epidemic of 2003 and thus proposed with deep concern for the health and well-being of all humanity, becoming a shared credo to address today's most challenging time. It deepens our understanding and strengthens our own personal commitments to advocacy in many forms for what it will take to achieve a healthy world.
This declaration was named to appreciate Florence Nightingale, the famous lady with the lamp who cared for soldiers suffering and who was then loved across the world as the founder of modern nursing. Beyond this fame, she continued to nurse the world, making a major difference for the health of humanity, anticipating social, cultural, and environmental health determinants, now identified as the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So now, may her example become our lantern for the 21st century. May her same light be rekindled to burn brightly in our hearts. Let us take up our own lanterns of caring, each in our own way, to more brightly walk our own paths of service to the world. May we better learn to care for ourselves, for each other, and for all creation, to make our difference in our time, and to kindle the hearts of many generations yet to come.
Thus we bring our own commitments to the Nightingale Declaration for a Healthy World. We, the nurses and concerned citizens of the global community, hereby dedicate ourselves to achieve a healthy world. We declare our willingness to unite in programs of action, to share information and solutions to improve health conditions for all humanity, locally, nationally, and globally. We further resolve to adopt personal practices and to implement public policies in our community and nations, making this goal achievable and inevitable, beginning today in our lives, in the life of our nations, and in the world at large.